Microsoft has introduced a performance boost feature inside Windows. Yes, I'm talking about low latency profile, and this is part of Windows K2 project. This feature works by aggressively spiking up your CPU up to its maximum frequency for 1 to 3 seconds, and it works whenever you want to open an application. And you can see this is my CPU usage in ideal state. So now if I want to open the start menu, and then let's see, there is a spike. Open the Microsoft Store, and here it is up to 70%, and then just browser, and you see there is a spike in my CPU usage. Whenever I close an application, it's again in the normal stage, and that is the beauty of low latency profile. And here is a catch: if you just enable the low latency profile for 1 to 3 seconds, your CPU will be boosted up to 90%. That means it will consume your battery up to 2 to 5%, and that is avoidable. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Tech Sudama Lab. And today in this video, I'm gonna walk you through how to enable the low latency profile in a computer. So if you want to enable this feature, you must have to be in a Windows 11 Insider program. It will work with Windows 11 Insider Release Preview channel, the latest experimental channel like Dev or Beta. And if you're in the stable channel, this process may not work. So without getting much more delayed, let's get started. So first of all, you just open your browser and search for ViVeTool GitHub, and just open the very first link. And now here you see ViVeTool. Click on the latest one and then scroll. And here, if you're using Intel and AMD processor, then you're gonna download this one. And if you're on the Snapdragon or ARM processor, then you're gonna download this one. Just click on it and download will be started. When it's completed, close your browser. Now you just open a file explorer. Go to download folder, and here it is. Just right click on the zip file, select extract all, click on browse, go to this PC, then see drive, and here you just create a new drive in the name of ViVeTool or whatever you want. Then just click select and then click extract. When it is done, you can delete it, and then go to this PC and see drive, and here you see ViVeTool is there. Now here just select the ViVeTool folder, right click on it and select copy as path. Close it, click on start. Search for CMD and run as administrator. Click on yes. Now here type CD, then hit space and just right click here and it's pasted. Now you gotta remove this inverted commas. This one, then this one. Now it's done. Now just hit enter. Now we're into ViVeTool folder. Now you gotta type this commands, and these are two IDs to enable the low latency profile, and these IDs are different for different channels. For some users, this ID may not work, especially if you're using release preview channels. You gotta try the different ID. The ID will be given in the description. Now after typing with the IDs, hit enter. When it shows successfully set features configuration, that means it's done. Now you just close it and restart your computer. Now after restart, you will see everything is working fine. If you love the deep dive, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Tech Sudama Lab for latest Windows 11 Insider PV updates. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.